Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to create this filter gallery image. So I've already started. The first thing you want to do when you have your image open is go to View and make sure you have the grid showing. So View, Show, and then Grid. So I'm going to zoom in, so Command plus, and I've already done this whole row of her face. So I'm going to start on the other side. So 6x5 is what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on my background layer and I'm going to take my rectangular marquee tool and I'm going to click and I'm going to go 6 over and then 5 down. Okay, so I have my section of 6x5. Then I go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and there's all kinds of options up here for the filter gallery. So maybe I want to do this stamp effect or note paper. Actually, I'll do photocopy. I can change the detail of it if I want. I can make the whites come out. I can make it really less dark. And then when I like it, I hit OK. And then it's going to set up in that little area. Now I can be done with this and move on, or I can play with the hue adjustment. So with this layer still selected, so you see all the marching ants around it, I can go to the black and white cookie and go to hue saturation. And I can change, it might not work because I turned it black and white. Yeah, oh, so I can lighten it up here. But okay, so we'll say we did that. I have to click back on my background now. Okay, so then I'm going to take my rectangular marquee again, and I'm going to do 6 and 5. I'll do a colored one this time. So filter, I can't go to this top one now because it's going to implement the last one that I did. So see, it does exactly what I did. So filter, the third one down, filter gallery. I'm going to go to brush strokes, ink outlines, and hit OK. Now I can go to hue adjustment, so the black and white cookie, hue and saturation, and I can change these colors. So I could make it more yellow, maybe put it in towards the blue area so you can play with that. Okay, and then as you zoom out, you'll see when I turn view and take my grid off that I have all that. Now you can see I have this empty space over here. So at the very end, what I can do is I can crop that out. So I can get my crop tool and I can just get rid of that extra bit right there and hit enter. And then there's my image now. You'll save this as a PSD and a JPEG and you'll turn it into Google Drive. You need to do 2 of these. One needs to be from the portrait series that you did with the studio lights, and one can be of any other image you took for this class for any project.